Hi, good afternoon. Kain tayo. Late lunch. Nakatulog kasi ako kaya late na akong mag-lunch. This is my ulam. Adobong shell at saka pusit. Then, first time ko mag-try ng lukot. Sabi nila masarap daw pero try natin. Ito yung sausawan. May sibuyas, kamatis, tsaka luya. So, meron din ako. Ay nako. Sunny side up pero ewan ko anong nangyari. So, let's try lukot. Sana masarap. Kasi pag hindi, naku po, pagsisisihan ko po, binili ito, 100 pesos yung isang pack. Masarap naman. Okay lang.
Okay, maybe I am. Doesn't matter. I just want to know something. The girl you killed, she was a werewolf. She was a different kind, wasn't she? She could turn herself into an actual wolf, and I know Scott can't do that. Is that why you killed her? Why are you so worried about me when it's your friend who's the problem? When he shifts on the field, what do you think they're gonna do? Huh? Just keep cheering him on? I can't stop him from playing, but you can. And trust me, you won't do.
Okay. Masarap naman. Goodbye.
What the hell do you think you're doing? I'm just trying to help.
Mag-ingat po tayong
Okay, well,
lahat.
how about you
God
help me
bless.
understand